Hello and welcome to Abenteuer und Allrad, off-road camping show, possibly the largest one in the world. And here what I'm going to show you is these roof extensions, vehicles which have been made much bigger. Right, Impala Reisemobil of Switzerland has done this. So we've got here this Land Rover Defender, and it's been made much larger by this box on the roof, this lifting roof, not a tent but an insulated foam here. So let's now go and have a look inside the vehicle. Now for something like this you're looking at around 22,500 Swiss francs approximately, and depends what has to be done, of course. So you've got the original hard top of the vehicle, and this can be done so it'll go down either maybe using a summer screw, or you can do it by a windy thing, or you could get the electric motors to do it. So there's all sorts of possibilities. Now the advantage of something like this is that it is insulated, which a tent in the roof of course isn't insulated, and it will come down. So if you're living in a place with a underground parking or something like that, it'll have the, not the footprint, but the height of a car, or the original car. Should we say not quite, because it'll take an extra 16 centimeters above. So it is a bit higher, but not a lot. And so that, I think, is certainly something which is far better than these tents and roofs. Of course I do appreciate it's much more expensive than a tent in the roof, but that's to be understood. Right, anyway, so a Land Rover, what you can do with a Land Rover self-built, you can this is what they've done, and it depends what you actually want in it. Another point, of course, with this is with, as I say, the insulation is you turn on the heater, probably a diesel heater in something like this, using the diesel from the fuel tank, then it's going to get warm quite quickly and it'll hold its warmth. Let's go and have a look at this Impala here. Sorry, Impala's the name of the company, Impala Reisemobil. This vehicle, this thing here, looking at 115,000 approximately in its current state. Depends what people actually order. Now, if you can see that through the bright sunshine, we've got the roof, which is much larger, so you can see it's coming over. It's now got this overhang, and when it's moving around with the roof down, obviously the overhang is still going to be there. Let's go inside. Let's hope my shoes aren't too dirty. And so right, now look at this. So how this has been done. Now, for off-roading or something, with it being shorter, it'll be much easier to drive, I imagine. It's you place to sit. Obviously, inside it can be done up as is required, but that, I think, to my way of thinking, that's far better than getting a tent in the roof. Oh, in comparison, of course, then again, it is a bit more on the expensive side. Let's have a look around the outside. Bit of storage there. I don't know if that would work on a video, so if you want to get more information, I'll stick it right up to it. I don't think you can actually get it, but it might yet work. If not, you'd have to write to the company. Impala Reisemobil. Right, let's have a look on the outside again. Yeah, that one's for sale. And we'll have a walk right around the Land Rover as well, I think, whilst I'm here, just in case you haven't seen the Land Rover before. I have slept in Land Rovers on a number of occasions, but that was in a different profession. And that was some extra advice on camping, as you can hear now being barked in. Right, good. So thanks very much for watching. I hope you found that of interest, and lots more stuff here from Abenteuer und Allrad for you to see. And all the best from Germany.